To be very short, it's very pleasure to be here among all the friends. We are today thinking in the same direction, food security, how we can make it really a big transformation, and Mr. Salih mentioned, and Her Excellency Maria, and everybody thinking in the same direction. Today, the National Agriculture Center is very proud to be part of this group, trying to bring the UAE produce to the table of manufacturing. We would like to introduce our colleagues here, what UAE can produce from different food, from different vegetables, from different, what we can be grown in UAE, as we transfer to the manufacturing to be a local product that made in UAE. Today, the center is only 1 year old, but it is having a mandate of huge deliverables that need to be done in the next 5 years. And it will not be done without the collaboration and the help of everybody. And really thank you for Dubai Chamber and for the Ministry of Economy for the support, and Mr. Saleh and everybody. And really happy to be with you here. Thank you so much.